6 wind, calm, clear to land, 25.
Clear land 1825, Copa 146. 2 bag for the RNAV runway 25.
2427 Tower, good day, continue approach runway 07, correction, runway 25.
Approach 25, JetBlue 2427.
Copa 146, on time 01. Vacate next left on Charlie. When clear, contact ground 121.7.
121.7, Copa 146.
JetBlue 2427, wind 330 degrees at 4 knots. You're cleared to land runway 25.
5, clear to land, JetBlue 2427.
7431, are you ready to go?
Sunwing 7431, ready.
7431, behind the landing Airbus 320 JetBlue. You can enter the runway, backtrack into position runway 25. Be advised, we do have traffic joining 12-mile final for 25.
After landing traffic, clear to enter and backtrack 25, Sunwing 7431.
Blue 2427, on time 03. Vacate next possible left. It's looking like Delta, expedite, ground 2171 clear.
The 2175, JetBlue 2427.
1955 is with you for 25.
So 1955, thanks, it's our good day. Continue approach runway 07. I'm releasing a Boeing 738 at this time. Current wind is calm. You're cleared for takeoff runway 25.
Clear takeoff 25, Sunwing 7431.
Delta 1955, cleared to land 25, wind calm.
Land 25, Delta Nova 1955.
Link 7431, airborne time 06, contact approach 20.8, goodbye.
Definitely Sunwing 7431.
1955, arrived 08. You can vacate on Delta when clear contact ground 121.7.
21-7, Delta 955.
JetBlue 779.
779 Tower, good day. Continue approach 25, expect landing clearance shortly.
When?
My instruments are showing me 350 degrees at 3 knots. Calm winds. 779er, you are now cleared to land 25.
79, clear to land 25.
You see it on now?
Oh.
So I'll have the someone come look at it.
Tower JetBlue 779, there's something crossing the runway. They just got across. Maybe it's a flock of birds.
Right, towards the threshold side?
Okay, they're flying north. They just crossed right at touchdown zone.
Alright, flock of birds. I'll have some culling arranged.
Landing now, I hope, but now they turn south right towards us.
For the information, I am seeing them. They do look to be out of the way.
Barely out of the way.
Understood. Again, as soon as possible, I'll have some culling.
They made that turn right back towards us.
Roger, report copied, sir. With that, your on time is 11. You can vacate on Delta and clear contact ground 121.7.
7 for vacate Delta 21-7 for JetBlue. 9.
So 6 Tango Charlie with you, 3 miles to the west of the field, flying for the left downwind 25.
Charlie Sangster Tower, good day. Current wind is calm. 07 is available if you want it.
6 Tango Charlie requesting 07 in that case.
Yes, sir. Wind calm, clear to land 07.
Clear to land 07, 6 Tango Charlie.
Charlie on time 16, vacate Charlie Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground 21-7. Good day.
And 7 RNP runway 25.
Delta 1997, thanks to Terra, good day. Continue approach runway 25.
Continue 1997.
You advise me if you see the Pappy's light on.
Delta 1997, negative, no Pappy light.
Roger, thank you. Delta 1997 on time 27, vacate next possible left contact ground 121.7 with the gate number.
Right, next left 121.7 for ground, Delta 1997.
And 875, RMP runway 25.
875, thanks sir, good day. Wind currently calm. You're clear to land runway 25.
And runway 25, American 875.
Tower, American 857 on the RMP runway 25.
American 857, thanks sir, tower, good day. Continue approach runway 25.
For runway 25, American 857.
American 875 arrived at time 35. Vacate on Delta. Call ground 121.7 with the gate number.
Okay, Delta and over ground 21.7, American 875.
American 857, wind 350 degrees at 4 knots, clear to land 25.
And runway 25, American 857.
25, hello.
United 1462, tower, good day. Continue approach 25.
Approach is 25, unit 1462.
Eight five seven arrived at time 38. You're vacating on Delta. Contact ground 121.7.
Data on Delta at 121.7. Good day, sir, American 857.
United 1462, wind calm, clear to land 25.
Clear to land runway 25, unit 1462.
Tower, WestJet 2702 on the RNAV 25.
702 Tower, good day. Continue approach 25.
25, WestJet 2702.
United 1462 arrived at 41 vacate Delta, where you can taxi Alpha to gate 4. Contact ground 121.7.
Alpha gate 4 over ground unit 1462.
And United 1462, before you switch over, just confirm you had a smooth ride on final.
Affirmative.
Russia 2702, wind 360 degrees at 3 knots. You're cleared to land 25.
25, WestJet 2702.
on time 44, vacate Charlie, contact ground 1017.
1 Charlie 217, WestJet 2702.